This is Beer Can Life Hacks. Check it out. You can put an empty, clean, rinsed out aluminum beer can in your dryer instead of a laundry sheet, and you will have no static electricity on your clothes. No static clean at all. Aluminum beer can in the dryer. Works every time. She likes it. If you're outside, that's going to protect your flame from the wind. Nice. Makes a nice little lantern. The top will come off slick as a whistle. And that's smooth even. That's even smooth in there already. So no chance of cuts. It's pretty awesome. Decorate your desk there. You can put your pens or pencils in. Your office, your desk there. Toothbrush holder. Redneck Baby Mobile. Redneck Beer Can Baby Mobile. That puts you to sleep just looking at it. Get those some other things on there if you ain't got enough beer cans. You can take a challenge and see who can stick the most beer cans on a bald head. And the challenge video I was in with Crazy Russian Hacker and Dennis Rohde, they got me. They pranked me also. I didn't know they were going to prank me, but they pranked me. I'll put a link in the description of this video. You can check it out if you want. But you can challenge your bald friends to see who can get the most beer cans on their head. We ran the suction at the bottom of the beer can will allow you to. And your kids are going to have fun playing with this one. Help them out and have fun popping popcorn with a beer can. Or maybe a soda can if you want. Either one. You can open a lock with a beer can. Something like that. You can wrap that around there like so. Take that tab goes down inside, and you turn it around. That's how you pick a lock with a beer can. And this is how you can piss off your neighbors with beer cans. Folks, you can also cut these cans up with your scissors. Use a hole punch. punch you some holes in there. Well, then you can make you a hat like this. Check that out. Then you can knit you a hat like that. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.